UNESCO is a United Nations organization. The acronym stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. And their goal is to connect researchers with high school students from all over the world to try and create solutions for large problems such as global warming or ocean pollution or things like that.
To make the most impact, we wanted to visit all of the elementary schools in our district, but this would have been a little bit difficult for just the two of us, so we decided to involve a marine ecology class at our school because not only would they be a little bit more knowledgeable about the subject, but they would also help us be able to visit the elementary schools. So first we made the lesson and then we taught it to the marine ecology class, and then from there we all went to the elementary school so that they could help us teach the elementary kids. We're passionate about the environment and we want to make a change in how people are treating the environment in our oceans.
Choosing the fourth graders for our project was a good place to start because they're at an age where they can be leaders. They can be the ones to set an example at their elementary schools, and they're at an age where they're still excitable. They can understand and they can have a good idea as to how they can help. UNESCO's theme this year is about oceans and the preservation of our oceans, right? And what we want our oceans to look like in the future. Our project, we wanted to focus mainly on community outreach and showing that we can start change here, even in our small town.
Like if you throw like one of the can holders, you throw it in, they could eat it and it can like hurt their esophagus.
They get stuck, they can drown. I think maybe since they mistake us for seals, they'll mistake trash for something else.
Yeah.
They thought about how exactly one organism would be impacted more than another organism, which tried to encourage them to get thinking a little bit more about problems and stuff like that. We had the kids create little pledges for themselves that we are going to display in Portugal. With this, we just hope that they would talk about it with their parents a little bit more and talk about it with their peers and their teachers, and hopefully they'll be able to change their actions in a positive way.
Eu prometo recycle as coisas que é para recycle.
I pledge to save the oceans. Here is how. I pledge to use reusable items and spread the word about littering and saving the oceans.
Eu prometo só para usar bags de plástico lá nas lojas.
I promise to bring a reusable water bottle to school.
To recycle plastic, and if I see trash on the ground, I will make sure to pick it up. I pledge to not use a lot of plastic like straws, plastic water bottles, and plastic bags from stores.
I pledge to spread the awareness around.
I pledge to use less plastic straws and bags.
To use less straws.
I pledge to bring Tupperwares at school. I pledge to use less plastic straws.
I promise if I find trash, I will pick it up. Recycle! I promise to recycle whenever I'm at the beach. I pledge to recycle.
Not to litter and to pick up trash.
To recycle and not throw away the trash in the ocean.
I pledge to recycle everything that affects the ocean.
I pledge to recycle plastic straws, plastic bags, and cans, and more to save our ocean.
Save the animals in the ocean.
To pick up trash on the beach.
I pledge to make people recycle bottles and not throw them away.
To not litter in the ocean and on land.
I pledge to recycle.
To recycle more.
I will help recycle. I pledge to pick up any bottles on the beach.
Not to throw trash in the ocean.
To recycle more and pick up trash off the ground.
To help keep our oceans clean.
I pledge to recycle more and not leave trash on the floor.
We pledge to spread the word about pollution.
3, 2, 1, and nice. Okay.